Weather Rate, sponsored by AC Designs.
Well, today is July 17th, and on average, July 17th is usually when we have our second named storm of the season. This is the timeline. Let me actually just step off here so you can see the whole graphic. Usually we have our first named system on June 20th, our second on July 17th, and our third on August 3rd. But obviously we are running way ahead of schedule. We have already had 3 named storms, including major Category 5 Beryl, which broke a lot of records. But after that record-breaking start to the season, we now have a lull so far this season. We have no immediate tropical concerns out there in the Atlantic. But here locally, we are concerned about the heat and, of course, the thunderstorms that are really starting to ramp up in our western counties now. A lot of lightning flashing there in that storm. More storms over Sanderson up towards the St. George area. Even a little bit of rain activity near Folkston and earlier a little bit near Waycross. You can still see how it's very scattered, widely scattered across southeast Georgia. And more of that now moving into places like Nassau County. But those of you dry, you are warm. Temperatures are in the 80s and the 90s, but it feels hotter than that. It feels like the upper 90s and the triple digits already, and we're not even at 1230 yet. So one thing I'm concerned about is, well, we have the Kingfish tournament today. That's fun. It's the junior anglers offshore tournament. But please, if you're a parent watching and you have your junior anglers out there, make sure that they are paying attention to the radar and to the sky, because these thunderstorms that are out west, they're going to continue to move east through the afternoon hours, and they will arrive to the beaches in the next few hours. So please make sure that they are paying attention to the forecast and to the radar as those storms start to move closer and closer to the beaches. Here's a look at just one model showing us how that future radar could look, and we'll see more of these storms again later in the afternoon, 2-3 o'clock. They start to become more likely along the I-95 corridor and then set up along the beaches. Very similar to yesterday. Hey, our rain chances are going to stay at 60 to 70% over the next 5 days. Of course, when you see the rain, that provides the cool down that we need, because our high temperatures are staying in the 90s and feels like temperatures will stay around 105 degrees. But be aware, with these thunderstorms that develop, they can become strong quickly with strong gusty winds, frequent cloud to ground lightning, and heavy, potentially localized flooding rain.